Thinking about revamping your retail space? What if you could do it with a snap of your fingers over and over and over again? Well, with these 5 flexible retail environment tips, you can. First up, modular fixtures. Think about adaptable shelving and displays that can be reassembled and reconfigured based on new layouts. It's practical and stylish. Second, a flexible floor plan. Because a retail environment is more than just shelves and aisles. It's a shopping journey that leads customers through a unique experience. From product launches to seasonal transformations, disrupt everyday routines by changing things up. Third, portable display units and end caps. They're not only practical, they're strategic. Shift your promotional focus and spice them up with interactive screens, lighting, or eye-catching designs. Fourth, multifunctional spaces. A demo area by day and event space by night. It's about maximizing utility and offering diverse experiences, complemented by an adaptive environment. Fifth, don't forget digital signage. They not only provide wayfinding, but also create real-time promotional opportunities. Take it a step further with interactive displays that engage and direct your customers. To wrap up, modular and flexible design is more than a trend. It's the future of cost-effective, adaptable, space-efficient retail.